All right, 2013 Chrysler 300C, all-wheel drive, and it failed inspection because it needs an outer tie rod end. So we are going to lift this thing up, put a jack stand under it, and put an outer tie rod end on it. So I got the wheels chalked on both sides, and unfortunately, it's New England, so I can't find exactly level ground on my property, so we'll do the best that we can with what we've got. And I just want to preface this video saying, if you're looking for like expert mechanical advice with all the tips and tricks on how to do it and do it the very best and the cleanest, you've come to the wrong video. Turn back now, go somewhere else. If you're looking for kind of a, I need to get this finished, let's get her done, get this thing back on the road video, this is where you want to be. I wasn't intending to pick the whole front end up, but it looks like that's what we did. Okay. We're on the jack stand and the jack. Like that. Alright, so this nut here that I'm taking off, it's basically like the lock nut. You don't have to spin it very far. Sometimes you have to put a second wrench on the inner tie rod end or the outer tie rod end to keep things from turning. But this case I didn't, but you just got to get it moved a little bit. And then once that's backed off, you should be all set to be able to start taking that outer tie rod off. Look at that. Whoo-hoo. Sometimes you get lucky. Put the tire back on, take it off the jack stand, pull the jack, and you are on your way. Thanks for watching.